Ready to transform your real estate business with a website that actually generates leads? First, choose your website platform. WordPress is popular for flexibility, while Wix or Squarespace offer easier drag-and-drop interfaces. Now, research and select an IDX provider. These services connect your website to the MLS, enabling real-time property listings. Consider pricing, features, and ease of integration. Time to design. Choose a professional theme and customize it with your branding, logo, colors, fonts to create a memorable online identity. Integrate your chosen IDX provider by following their setup instructions. This will populate your site with stunning property listings directly from the MLS. Optimize your website for search engines. Use relevant real estate keywords in your content, meta descriptions, and image tags to attract potential clients. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Most people search for homes on their phones, so responsive design is crucial. Integrate a CRM or set up lead capture forms to collect client information and nurture relationships directly through your website. With IDX integration and strategic design, you can elevate your real estate presence, attract more clients, and close more deals.